it's a rough day on Wall Street. Fears of a slowing economy sparking a massive sell-off worldwide. The Dow Jones opening with a loss of 1,100 points. And it comes after Friday's federal jobs report for July came in weaker than expected. Investors also concerned over federal interest rates remaining high. So let's bring in Elizabeth Pran, who is following all of this for us live. Elizabeth, this sell-off is also coming from some big economic woes overseas.
I mean, there's just a lot going on, right? And when I said it's changing minute by minute, so then if you also look at OPEC might be manipulating some of the oil prices. So just keep that in your back pocket. Let's go back to what folks are facing today, right? Because it's happening in real time. It's not hour by hour, minute by minute, it's second by second, right? Let's keep it real simple. So fears of the recession here at home, that's just one of the culprits that we're talking about. But let's, like you said, rewind to last week. Let's look at Japan's central bank raising rates for the second time in 70 years. We are all globally connected, right? That impacts us here at home. Stateside, there's been no change, no cut to the very high interest rates. So now there's quarterback, Monday morning quarterback. Did the feds miss the mark? Did they need to make changes? It depends on who you ask, but don't expect any emergency option. If you're looking for a change, maybe start to look towards September. So today, well, people are still feeling inflation. It may be stagnant in some areas when you look at the numbers, but when you talk to people, when you hear the real voices, it's still hitting people's pocketbooks, adding insult to injury. Let's talk about the jobs report that we saw on Friday. Not great. So rising to 4.3%, we haven't seen that since October of 2021. What does that mean? It means that we didn't add a lot of jobs in July and that we were looking to add jobs in July. You add that, you have the global sell-off, you see Japan, you see South Korea, and then you add the tech industry, Nichole. We're seeing some massive sell-offs. We're seeing Apple, Tesla down, NVIDIA. That is impacting everyone. So you have the fear and then you have the panic. So people at home, what should they be feeling? What should they be thinking? Experts say to cool it, to press the pause button, to not press the panic button, maybe not check on your 401k, maybe just let it lie, if you will, right? So we have things going on in the Middle East. No one can deny that. We're in the middle of a hotly contested election. No one can deny that. And if you look at history, things usually cool off, right? August, September, everybody has to wait to see what's going to happen in November. Is there pressure from lawmakers to see some to see some changes with the feds in September? There is. We're one of the last countries to really make any changes with those interest rates, and you are starting to see the finger pointing. You're seeing the former President Donald Trump on Truth Social point fingers, but then you also see the Biden administration touting some of their accomplishments. So there's a lot of finger pointing, a lot of pressure on the feds. But for people at home, when we talk to economic experts, Nichole, they say to pause, to not panic, maybe just not look at your 401k today.
Yes, I think that is excellent advice. Elizabeth Pran, live for us. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.